Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SunTrust merged account portal, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the SunTrust website URL in the search bar and hit enter. Once the home page loads, look for the login button, usually in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page for the merged account portal. Enter your username in the first field provided. Next, enter your password in the second field. If you are using a personal device, consider checking the box for Remember Me. After entering your credentials, review them for. Click on the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. In case you forget your username or password, look for the Forgot Username or Forgot Password links. Click on the appropriate link to recover or reset your information. Follow the prompts provided to validate your identity and regain access. If you encounter any issues during the login process, refer to the FAQ section on the website. You may also contact customer service for further assistance. Once logged in successfully, you can manage your accounts, transactions, and settings easily. Be sure to log out of your account when finished, especially on shared devices. Your security and privacy are essential, so always log out to protect your information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.